According to Satanists, Lilith, the popular satanic femi pseudonym, is the archetypical illustration of Satan's long-standing penchant for powerful women. Cast out into the wilderness for not submitting to her husband, she hooked up with the devil. Sir McLachlan organized a huge Lilith fair, bringing together popular artists from all over the world, female artists like Sheryl Crow and Jewel. According to occultic traditions, Lilith represents destruction and rebellion. Rolling Stone magazine pointed out that Lilith was Adam's first wife, supposedly, but from there the stories vary depending on just whom you talk to. Rolling Stone magazine continued to point out that McLachlan says that Lilith didn't want to take orders from Adam, so she dumped him. Lilith depicted the destroyer in Satanist Kenneth Anger's movie Lucifer Rising. Satanist Aleister Crowley named his first child Lilith Crowley, and Satanist Jimmy Page named his daughter Scarlet Lilith Page. Sarah McLachlan declares that she acts on her various sexual impulses. She says, "I'm such a slut." She says, "Dear God," in one song, "I don't believe in no pearly gates, no thorny crown. You're always letting us humans down. The Father, Son, and the Holy Ghost is just somebody's unholy hoax." Yet she glorifies Satan and says, "I think that the devil has gotten a bad rap. The devil is that fallen angel, the one who was willing to embrace his dark side, whereas all the other angels were in total denial. The devil is more like us." She sings, "As the walls are closing in and the colors fade to black, and I follow the tracks that lead me down, and I never follow what's right." Should we follow McLachlan down into the black and into the fire, or should we turn from her music and turn to Jesus Christ?